How to unlink WhatsApp from other devices. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily unlink WhatsApp from other devices. So first thing, simply head over to your WhatsApp, and once you're inside here, just click on this three dot icon at the top right corner, and just click on this link devices. And from over here, what you need to do is you will be seeing lots of the devices in which you have already signed in with your WhatsApp account. So as you can see, I haven't signed into this account with any other devices. So let me just show you an example. So as you can see in this example, if you have used any of the devices to log in with your same account, you will see this option called, for example, in this Windows, just tap on it and make sure you click on the logout option. So once you click on the logout option, you will be successfully logged out, and that devices will be successfully unlinked from your WhatsApp. So that is exactly how you can easily unlink WhatsApp from other devices. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.